Secretary oiba Dr. Kamai hai marene man wama phongdok keba. This is a very valid my points man haije. Manipur the aigi lam maki lam adugi lam haiba leite. Manipur belongs to everybody. Haiba wahi mapan griye sa. Mase yamna value bani mase akoi ai kabui community maybe a minority or minuscule population me machine yamdu wanate mananga poa that's really counts a lot. Akoi thagat chai Dr. Kamai from my side secretary koi kabui union degi ai thagali. Akoi me manga to forget about your religions, forget your status. Hojiki matam na horok pa siya koi tawag muna tawri ba siya loy na lan mo puno mo sila no utlaga taw. Masya ko siyang to ba sunga yade aduna akoy yi hajik lady ba pibam siga India na pa kele ba siya pay good although late no problem. Aduna hajik loy na puno mag siya raga biren sa siya dungay ibobi sa siya dungay veteran ni koi na leram mo mohimyam mohina koi ba kanbiu tawbiu da Rahul Gandhi ngai ganu Priyanka ngai ganu you are different from the India mainland na se khangadabani Manipur the lead was sagi akoi kunthra mari akoi se we are made to be different from the mainland akoi phajana koi Manipur da akoi na prime minister or akoi home minister mayam lapre dhup duna tawna tha da khota thag pi se moine khara thawa sadabgum tawi yamna nuaite maduna ngasai gi divide and rule policy ngasai article 3 se again and again I will hammer it masi season narga tawraga thugairaga akoi sibu tawri puram se chin kuki jo diga horuk paral illegal immigrants mayam laktan Manipur thugairaga akoi bi chage tawri basu Bharat sarkar na karam miyeng de yenge hai se praja mayam dominant na thamge but akoi sa isolated tawbire tawrubani na koi mayam loina Manipur karamani kangani sagai punamak look punamak party punamak ay kutlon ay hangachike particularly the INDIA lit to view Manipur government messaging happy MLA punam but they blame game have say Mr. Miras
okay
among the MLAs among the ministers nakoi mayam nakoi hairi blame game nakoi tawguno nakoi amana amana nung lang nagano nakoi na suwain manadaw dagi akoi lebham nakoi na khangandabani after all what you are who has elected you nakoi bu akoi na thagat panatra don't play the game nakoi pick community se suman manade have say Delhi nakoi yamna usittan u phangine
okay
aduna tobigina mayam punno India and the Congress I appeal CSOs too different no group tagunu all club together Delhi da ko nei da bajate khan da bajate sapru se ko ut da bajate we are one we cannot be splitted we cannot be fragmented akoi party to wan to ngi no alo manatra madum chongki gani kasu kaide let us save Manipur every 34 community have some the ai hangachege
pong thank you very much pong waro biroi ekoi matam kitang sor ora
please
hojik si mapung oina pabung da in laksening basi overall oina pabung ni yeng bada India block ki protest haiba tare India block ki protest si yamna chamna lo ya roi maramdi masida congress ki maru eba luching basing haiba tare deputy leader congress ki 𝗣𝗢𝗓𝗛 yauri ekhoi ki parliament ki ngan ki protest sida adagi then CPI ki 𝗣𝗢𝗟𝗛𝗛 ekhoi yauri adagi AICC ki general secretary ekhoi ki 𝗣𝗢𝗟𝗛𝗚 yauri hairiba mayam si yaurga tobo protest ni masida hojik lai state government BJP ga amasung central government sigi mathakta akan allegation mayam ama charge story Manipur ki destruction of Manipur se presided by Home Minister Amit Shah, Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister N. Biren ga haibagi charge adagi Home Minister Amit Shah se moral ground resign to gadoguni haibagi wafam Prime Minister should visit Manipur haiba sigi demand mayam si mapungoi India block ki magi nature of protest oina ui aduga nakalamoromda kuki jo mar MLA singi protest ida mapungoi ba demand ahum ni pabong demand ahum se kuki demand ahum oin thami base ha bada union territory with legislature si pige do ne havani aduga masigi dialogue si khara thuna yangsan ge da bani havani ani subada Manipur state Manipur laingang ni sponsor to ba prosecution si lekko do ne havagi wafam ni ahum subada ekogi central funding si deprive to bire maru de kuki chingda deprive to bire masi phanghanaba central government na thodang logo do buni masi deprive to risi communalized oba Manipur government sin ne havani mapuina India block ki protest amasung ekoi kuki jo mar ki protest ani si kamai yeng bi ko
Ayuhan Madab, NETV bu in the Thakachari, Mr. Miras particularly in person, Akwigi, Yam eminent personalities ani amana India group tigi, amana BJP group te la pili, ay Thakachari mayam pulong sa kog Nigeria. Aygi eminent okay, personalities ani nakana muktigna takpiri panose. These are normal my haibum thokpa. They represent to party. They represent to the government. Haib the karim the surrounding I late. My gi must interest. My gi must power hunger the oi tori koli. Government of India na tori base aina isham cham na aina hygiening badam. Article 3 haib wahim leine. Indian article the 14, 19, 21 the isagi right up right up aina ngamjaba punamak loy na go settle to right up the preaching this thing that thing every human rights everything loin jawi. Article 3 haib say na khangjaba in my within limitations ke knowledge them. Article 3 haib say mase Manipur government ngashibo khanadri khang mani khangna right of Article 3 se tauri base aina sumtaja the che that the thop udesum just from here say I am discussion tha bada government of India Article 3 se mon paishan dana biren sahab aap jara ab valley area ko aap jara dekha karo मैं जरा पहाड़ी वाला को मैं संभालता हूँ है इस आर्टिकल 3 से मोहन पाई आर्टिकल 3 से पीरी प्रोविजन से right of private defense, right of these are all gone there, nothing. Country na government of India na or parliament states se machet ani hum thokta thugai bangamba. There is a provision called the article of Indian Constitution, the number article 3 siga. Masa fully ngasi paibadigi. Manipur thoiba issue pura masa I squarely blame the government of India. I squarely also blame the Manipur government. Reason being, I also squared the blame to the India also. Madam the my ashoiba among lyric padiki. Say example, this 10 MLAs, Chin Cookie Jos, Sarat Sabna Takpi. Makoi say namna nomina namdana nakoi shato the Vajadi. Have said this is absolutely ridiculous. Masitaja Vajabu Wahinate. Chin Cookie Jogi Makoi and Nani Wahi Punam fake narrative. Moina ngang oi the pulmak shibu how one MLA or one DGP Mr. 𝗓𝗡𝗟𝗓𝗓 amana mana DGP or maga mauda nomina lag nammagai Mr. shoy to do ya this shoy to bun how is it possible? Sir, in my mere capacity, one of the most troubled state in this country, Nagaland matam kharakuni tawjari, there was an encounter in my life in couple of occasions. You will not believe, you may refer to it. I am a human being, I am a man. I never kept in my 16, 17, 18 my forces to be deployed in my own home as a bodyguard, as escort. I should thamakte. We had an encounter with Dennis and IM. We had an encounter with Dennis and Kaplang. Nupa in a poke putara adumain to na anybody. I am not blaming only 𝗓𝗡𝗟𝗓𝗓 alone. But ngangi ba wahi sing makoy na nomina la kapa de khodi namma de khoy kari tawna adu din hoy lum shigro na koy na koy miyo ni hingbagi no koy na chin thi ba ngaktani. Why not the BJP government of the Manipur and government of India? You come out openly and overtly emboldened. No, Masid Lali have a article 3 to Tauri say how the Honorable Home Minister biren sahab ab jara bheli ko dekha karo. मैं देखता हूँ पहाड़ी वाला को हाई बुंग वता हूँ ताबा पंगे the same thing were happening. मैं से थोड़ी बेन सिर्फ even article the Tauripur must say MLS 10 MLS were very conspicuously absented from the duty. Why the Manipur government? Why the Honorable Speaker? Why you don't take any action on this? Why you are giving free hand? Chamina could support Torungani Haidana Nuiki Asomble. We know it. But we at this juncture. Why you have not taken this? Article number 3 people representatives 1951 the 8A the Karihani again. Also by the MLA among deliberately or any honorable members. No, they are not honorable members. These people, they are terrorists. Those 10 people who defied the ML Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Mawatadbo 1951 ki 8-1 the amti jingsi. Okay, disqualification on the ground of the corrupt practices. Corrupt practices doesn't mean huran mangakta, ju thorungakta, nupi lalolaga, adu to sinatte. Corrupt practices mean who does not attend, who does not perform his duty. They are being paid. chahi ama makai chahi ni sujalakpada, why Manipur government why you do not initiate any action? Why? That means you have given a free rope to me. At this moment, Mr. Biren Singh Maklendavatarabati, my fault Sakarino. Mana Papatabak Toba, poppy plantations, Mayam set Toba, Kopataba, Sakaipa, Kotpa Toba, Ching the Chalusi, Haina, Haudokpa. Let's go to Hilikanan, Haudurki, India. It is only by the Mr. Biren Singh. It is in the record in the world. And he has succeeded. Atubu, Mikey group the su, Pashadam Chaningba. Pashajam the crore gi drug lalun mayam gi jawba mayam punamuksigi ke sumafam marangkang the musan giba mutat kiba man apavasaruk torubada amu mau the mujanjalak potang mana torum the tarabadgasam Manipur chaitara kungi manunda drug ki tamakta drug ki draconian mayam gi group mayam lyric golden triangle Manipur the oinamag the I don't know Mr. Biren Singh in person much. He is a chief minister. I salute him. Apotavak tore makitamukta kuchikani akavi talk. I would blame him. India ge group together. What you are doing it. India government, you cannot defend yourself. India group, you are fragmented. As you know, group to someone manadi, amunamusu manadi, amunamusu chongi. Achev parliament de thoi by issue meam kanugi ko Rajya Sabha de tori was just like a joker. Matam mayam lun mangan but the maki important points to the house amada mao the period time my allotted time aman lady house ne then 24 hours chehi chupal in house the lady jab haun de matamano piri Aisha Ishaman the 14 years issue as a marshal as in assembly session issue urei very closely very nicely can procedure in a mere capacity aina high the subject the government of Indiana house the parliament the khangde assembly the khangde thamai mang the ani mang the karikari haibi idori karikari tobi idori had completely puthaka maigia how the kana khona the loine tawruga madu nang ngangbu jai pung suktana sigmatam pini sita win khoknai to khopal loin to it seems as per the government version that you have not taken, you have not utilized. Adigi.
Yes.
Adigi man hajer bada.
I want the last.
Kaji chin cookie joan the Tori city. How the Loibo so oidable the fake narrative and a Kagna government of India, Nakoina Manipur, the surely highway matung in Karam nine down and the coining a sheet of Muktan Shum the Yang Degane, government of India.
Okay, Matang said I could get cookie jomar, MLAS sings in a hybaze, Hangizida, either Adagi Moigi, Madudi Wang and the Tolaga made a Nang, I'm seeing a period of versions in Japon Tamzerake. Masida, Lady State government led by 𝗍𝗏 Moina Charge story Vaze, Masida state sponsored persecution, Hibama number 1. Anishopada, communalized Manipur government, Hibama, Adagi, Manipur, the Kankopisi, open up Toraga, Tampata, Loina, Moida. Essential item mayam phangali tabudu cookie mafam sing the essential items of the commodities sing se Manipur government thing havani mapung oina bj cookie MLA sing na charge story basi 𝗍𝗏 biren let over government sing matak charge story basi government sina is working in the interest of the Meitei community the favor we have a charge some story kari happening
absolutely right nakoi MLA tara nuhinamai kaidro shameless you people Meitei bu kram matam nakoi criminalize tauge nakoi na piri ngangi punam you were refugees you were illegal you migrated people nakoi bu lu na tawudgi no tomunta namai de kai no mission ni ngangune who has made the chief minister of Nagas Mr. Sankay Singh is it not by the if you said that majority community we never say in majority hibernati akoi the small group of mani sagi kutra mga punalamina bani who made the Alimuddin only one MLA as a chief minister kanana tauge nama ikai no na chinyam thi no ne khoi ikai the khoi no khoi khan bada karam matam ne khoi the fan pi de kaubro Mr. Alam Kautasap Nangi Churachanpur the Chapatan Jada, Mr. Biren Chalaga Tawi and Dogna Nangi Kari Amama Award Papunamotauge, Kotkanaching Chashi Amatosi Kochi. India, but no chief minister I have heard in my 82 years, my Punsisiga. Chief Minister of Manipur, the Manipur, Chingnichasi, Shitausi, even Nagaland the Chili, even Tripura Chili, Assam the Karak Chili, Manipur the Levy Chief Minister Nakoikana Torunge. Nakana Torungan Hoi, Napunsian Kongap Kand, Madu the Hayu. Mr. Biren Singh Madam that he has communal one, he is a Meitei chief minister. What a shame you are. What is your locus standi? ꯅꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ 1951 ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯗꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯗꯅ ꯆꯨꯔꯥꯆꯥꯟ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯏꯊꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯈꯠꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ I squarely blame all the Manipur people. You live in the valley area. Nakoi na usittabadi na thawa sadabagi nakoi vote bank tamuktagi. I blame the Congress. I blame the BJP. I blame the CPI. I blame the India. Nakoi na mashi nohina thap na nohina yengbidaba. Adugo narrative period these are all false, these are all bogus, these are unfounded. Bharat Sarkar nakoi khangni bani khangna Article 3 manungda nakoi thugai Congress India ki kari tamakta phare Congress ajiki BJP government na pan Mr. Biren is a flop government. Okay yaragya. What happened to the INDIA? Why you cannot take this golden opportunity? Nakoi kakalo nakoi matamdani you do die je Manipur government biren pubungam dabase akoi tawgani akoi let the Bharat Sarkar se koi chakki takpad nakoi takkani have so why the INDIA you people I don't say that you honorable member you people nakoi thorakta noi karigi nakoi serious sige I request Mr. 𝗣𝗢𝗧𝗦𝗛𝗏 I request Mr. Alfred led by you hunger step home let it to chief minister fail or jaring and okay I have agreed. What is the role of INDIA? You must go hunger strike. Go to Delhi. Don't seek permission from your Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi. Tawanu. You said Manipur. Rahul Gandhi cannot save Manipur. Sonia Gandhi cannot save Manipur. It is only we people we are to save.
Okay, Pabung. Okay, thank you very much. I want to make Pabung the last again. Pabung.
I give clarification. She not do PB the kid.
Matamsi, I wrote the
clarification to the point.
I manana 2 minutes and he pizza again. The last again. Pong the minute, I don't like so okay. Okay, Pabung. Howzik lady conflicts in the center the court. Center की कोर्ट लोइन जंक्शन बगी ममी तारक पसे मपुंग इन ओपोजिशन जो एकोई की स्टेट ता याम कना एकोई की असेंबली द डिबेट तोरम बदगी स्टेट की मीडिया द कइदा मयाम द याम कन्ना से द पुश तोरम बदगी हौजिक से सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट द कन्ना जंक्शन बगी ममी तारी है तारे ओपोजिशन जी नॉट जस्ट एकोई की मणिपुर की MLA सिंग खंगतन नतबा एकोई की इंडिया की ओपोजिशन की टॉप लीडरशिप त लेबा मयाम जो यावना एकोई की जंतर मंतर द प्रोटेस्ट तौदना नेशनल मीडिया द वांगांग द हौजिक से प्राइम मिनिस्टर द होम मिनिस्टर द कन्ना बोल कावगी पोट अमो इन उई अदुगा नकल मरोमदा एकोगी कुकी की MLA तरा लोइना कुकी की पीपल सिंग जो होजिक से दिल्ली दो इन प्रोटेस्ट तौबा दिल्ली दो इन याम कन्ना पुश तौबगी ममी सितार ए अदुना होजिक कोर्ट से नसगी दिल्ली द लेरपगी फिल्म नि अदुना मसीगी शिफ्ट से पबुं कमाई यंगदी कमाई
मिरास थागचे exactly aina pamjaba adu pakum do aishangai jabani thank you giving me this opportunity
okay
akoina tawse ko yam thengre in fighting akoi manung dang ngakte impal mi lak ama ani tin maduna karim to oiroi exactly Delhi the mak chatlaga hanadgi oina under one umbrella forgetting your status your party's affiliation or your positions or he is junior he is senior or he is BJP or India or sonloi toga si matang na kuloi na manabham thokpani akoi thengnagadu se two prong ni not this chin kuki jo terrorist ki group na machin thiwa singsina ngang butu ngakta fake narrative and wrong narrative si ko ne depend to honge do natte government of India ngasai the article 3 the Mokoin Tumin undeclared on a pyre Manipur government head of the government of Manipur state labor could pull including the armed forces and the paramilitary force and CAPA Punamak. So also the Indian national medias of how Mayambo Akui Tabaka Loina Lan Laugiba Mokui later Thangibra Hibis Akui 2-prong, 3-prong Kuki states the government of India the lay. But we are late. Aduna, hojik I request have you maybe you must say last over if you permit Miras. I know appeal to any tojik game. Masina Hajabado, Government of India is the main near Kuritori, right to private dependence of Songan Pangandre, say under article under cover the Lake Hivanina, Article 3 Saman Sijin Bogum Moisin Bogum Tobuna, Ashina Janing the Koi the Ning Tong and the Bomb Lady, Masay Hajik Ladyba, INDI, Government of Manipur. CSOs, akoy may Manipur dili yung ngarang hanta kabuigi doctor maming the kaukre kuigi kabuigi secretary oiba Dr. 𝗂𝗎𝗓𝗓 man wama 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓 this is a very very valued my points man haise Manipur the aigi lam maki lam adugi lam haiba leite Manipur belongs to everybody haiba wahi ma panriye sa mase yamna value bani mase akoi ai kabui community maybe a minority or minuscule population me machine yam do one te mananga powa the deaths really counts a lot akoi thagat chai Dr. Kamai from my side secretary koi kabui union degi ai thagali akoi me manga do jate forget about the religions forget your status hojiki matam na horok pase akoi to the mone tawri base loina lan puno moselon utlaga to mase ko sangdok to basunga ya de aduna akoi gi hajik leiriba phibam siga India na paikhle base so pai good although late no problem aduna hajik loina punamak se jawraga biren sab se dungai ibobi sab se dungai veteran ni koina lerum mane mohimiam mohina khoi conview tawbiu Rahul Gandhi ngai ganu Priyanka ngai ganu you are different from the India mainland na se khangdabani Manipur the leiriba sagi akoi kunthra mari akoi se we are made to be different from the mainland akoi phajana koi Manipur da akoi na prime minister or akoi home minister mayam lapre dhup duna tawna thadra khota thagpi se moine khara thawa sadabgum tawi yamna nuaite maduna ngasai gi divide and rule policy ngasai article 3 se again and again I will hammer it masi season narga tawraga thugairaga akoi sibu tawri puram se chin kuki jo diga horuk paral illegal immigrants mayam laktan Manipur thugairaga koi bi chage tawri basu Bharat Sarkar na karam miyeng de yenge hai se praja mayam dominant na thamge but akoi sa isolated tawire tawru bani na koi mayam loina Manipur karamani kangani sagai punamak look punamak party punamak ai kutlon ai hangachi ke particular INDIA lit to view Manipur government be shooting happy MLA puna mode blame game have say Mr. Miras
okay
among the MLAs among the ministers nakoi me am nakoi hairi blame game nakoi toguno nakoi amana man nung lang nagano nakoi na suwain manadaw digi akoi lebam nakoi na khangan dabani after all what you are who has elected you nakoi bu akoi na thagat panatra don't play the game nakoi pick the community se suman manade have say Delhi nakoi bi yamna usittan u phangine
okay
aduna tobigina mayam punno
yes.
India and the Congress
yes.
I appeal
okay.
CSOs too different no group tagunu all club together
okay.
Delhi da ko nahi da bajate khan da bajate
okay
sapru se ko ut da bajate we are one we cannot be splitted we cannot be fragmented akoi party to wan to ngi se no alo manatra mudum chongki gani kasu kaide let us save Manipur every 34 community have some the ai hangachege
Pong thank you very much Pong waro biroi ekoi matam kitang sor ora
please